Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around the automotive world, the true cost of owning electric vehicles. While the mantra has long been that EVs are cheaper to run than combustion cars, reality paints a different picture. Here are 9 reasons why EVs might not be as affordable as they've been advertised. Reason number 9, the environmental cost of battery production. Electric vehicles are seen as eco-friendly, but battery production reveals a complex reality. The extraction of lithium, cobalt, and nickel, key for EV batteries, raises serious environmental and ethical issues. Lithium mining requires massive water use, exacerbating water shortages, like in Chile's Atacama Desert. Cobalt, mainly from the Democratic Republic of the Congo, involves severe human rights abuses and environmental damage. Nickel mining leads to deforestation and pollution, notably in Indonesia. Battery production itself is energy-intensive, emitting up to 12 tons of CO2 for a typical EV battery. Addressing these impacts through better recycling and materials is crucial for truly sustainable electric mobility. Reason number 8. The high cost of battery replacement. Even if you manage low running costs with affordable home charging and minimal maintenance, battery replacement can wipe out your savings. EV batteries are extremely expensive to replace, often costing around $10,000 or more, with some models reaching $30,000. Many EVs are still too new for long-term data on battery life, and most come with a 100,000-mile warranty. The lack of a competitive battery replacement market means costs can be arbitrary and high. For instance, some owners of older BMW iX models have faced exorbitant replacement fees. Overall, battery replacement can drastically impact the economic benefits of owning an electric vehicle. Reason number 7, the insurance premium puzzle. Running costs also include insurance premiums, which are generally higher for EVs than for gas-powered cars. While theoretically, EVs should have similar insurance rates, many factors influence premiums, including the higher sticker prices of EVs. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners reports that insuring an EV is 20% more expensive on average. For example, insuring a Tesla Model X can cost around $4,300 per year. The primary reason isn't the purchase price, but the higher repair costs and limited availability of repair shops and trained technicians. Due to the complexity of EV repairs and expensive parts, insurance companies often prefer to write off a damaged EV rather than pay for costly repairs, further driving up premiums. Reason number 6, the reality of maintenance and repairs. Advocates of EVs often highlight the reduced maintenance costs, with no need for oil changes. However, EVs are not maintenance-free. Their heavier weight causes faster tire wear, adding to the maintenance costs. Like combustion cars, EVs will eventually need repairs, which can be more expensive due to their complexity and the scarcity of trained technicians. A Consumer Reports study found that EVs cause 80% more problems than gas-powered cars. Even minor collisions can necessitate costly battery or casing replacements, significantly affecting repair costs. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 5, depreciation woes. Depreciation, while not always considered a direct running cost, is a major expense when owning a new car, and EVs depreciate faster than combustion cars. According to iSeeCars.com, the average price of a 1 to 5-year-old used EV in the US dropped nearly 32% in the past year, equivalent to about $14,500, while comparable combustion cars fell just 3.6%. For instance, a Tesla Model 3, despite holding its value better than many EVs, still loses $16,452 of its $60,000 value in 5 years. In contrast, a Subaru retains over 84% of its value, highlighting the steep depreciation of EVs. Reason number 4, hidden costs. Calculating the exact running costs of EVs is complicated due to hidden costs. Who pays for government subsidies, public charging equipment, and the added strain on the electric grid? U.S. taxpayers do, including EV owners. While ICE owners pay for fuel transport and infrastructure through gasoline prices, EV owners contribute through the electric grid. This added strain may increase costs over time. Indirect subsidies, like the avoidance of state and federal fuel taxes, are another hidden cost. These taxes fund road construction and maintenance, yet EVs, which are heavier, do more road damage. Research by the Texas Public Policy Foundation found that owning an EV can be more expensive than a combustion engine when considering these hidden costs, equating to paying $17.33 per gallon of gasoline. Reason number 3. Infrastructure costs. Owning an electric vehicle involves hidden infrastructure costs. Home charging, while cheaper than gasoline, requires an initial investment of $500 to $2,000 for a level 2 charger, depending on your home's electrical setup. Public charging infrastructure adds to the expense, with fast chargers costing up to $50,000 each, a cost often passed to consumers through higher fees. Government subsidies for EV infrastructure are funded by taxpayers, and increased electricity demand due to more EVs could lead to higher utility rates. As a result, the hidden costs of charging and grid upgrades significantly impact the overall cost of EV ownership. Reason number 2. Charging costs. The notion that EVs are cheaper to run due to lower charging costs holds true if you charge at home. However, home charging may not suffice for long-distance travel. Public fast chargers, necessary for long trips, are expensive. Car and Driver found that charging a Chevy Bolt EV to cover 100 highway miles costs $11.82 on average. In contrast, a comparably sized gas-powered car costs under $10 for the same distance, suggesting that relying solely on fast public chargers makes EV running costs 20% higher than gas cars. Reason number 1. High initial investment. Even if EVs are cheaper to run, their significantly higher initial price remains a barrier. Despite discounts and incentives, EVs still cost more. In 2024, the average EV price is around $55,000, compared to the $47,000 average for new cars. This 17% higher price means the gap between EVs and gas cars, as well as hybrids, remains substantial. Comparing comparable models shows an even larger price difference, with EVs typically having a premium price without many advantages in build quality, autonomy, or cargo capacity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit for more vehicle updates and upcoming videos. See you next time.